When we picture sugary drinks, most of us think of a quick pick-me-up, a burst of sweetness, or a fun indulgence on a hot day. Rarely do we imagine that the same sugar that fuels a soda or sweetened tea could provide literal running shoes for cancer cells, helping them move faster and spread. Yet the latest research in Nature Metabolism uncovers this surprising story, showing how fructose and glucose from sugary beverages interact with an enzyme called SORD to enhance the mobility of colorectal cancer cells. What sounds alarming at first is also deeply informative, revealing a pathway that science can target and empowering individuals with knowledge that transforms fear into prevention. To picture this, imagine the body as a bustling city where each cell has a role and maintains order. Cancer cells are like unruly vehicles confined to their neighborhood. They can grow, but under normal circumstances, they have limited mobility. Then sugar arrives, specifically in liquid form, and teams up with SORD, the molecular engine. Suddenly, those rogue cells get their running shoes. Fructose and glucose provide the fuel, and SORD acts like a turbocharger, giving cancer cells speed, energy, and the flexibility to leave their home territory and travel to other parts of the body. A simple sip transforms into a molecular signal that cancer cells can exploit, turning ordinary metabolism into a facilitator of disease spread. But here is the hopeful, positive side of the story. Understanding this mechanism gives researchers and healthcare professionals the tools to intervene in precise and meaningful ways. SORD, while essential for normal metabolism, becomes a clearly defined target for therapies aimed at reducing cancer cell mobility. Drugs could be designed to regulate or inhibit SORD activity, cutting off the energy boost cancer cells rely on without disturbing healthy cells. By identifying the exact pathway from sugar to enhance cell movement, science has effectively illuminated a vulnerability that can be leveraged for prevention and treatment. This is not just a cautionary tale. It's an opportunity for smarter, more targeted interventions that could improve outcomes for patients in the future. For everyday life, the study also provides empowering, actionable insights. Limiting sugary drink consumption isn't merely about managing calories or reducing the risk of diabetes. It's a way to remove the fuel that gives cancer cells an unfair advantage. Swapping soda for water, unsweetened beverages, or whole fruit means reducing the energy available for this running shoe effect, slowing down cancer cells before they have a chance to move and spread. Even small, consistent choices can contribute to creating an internal environment where healthy cells thrive and cancer cells struggle to gain momentum. Knowledge, in this sense, becomes prevention in action. The nuance of this research is encouraging as well. SORD is not a villain. It is a necessary enzyme in the normal metabolic machinery of the body. The problem arises only when excess sugar from drinks meets cancerous cells. This means the pathway is specific, targetable, and actionable. It also highlights a broader truth about biology: context matters. By understanding exactly when and how sugar empowers cancer cells, scientists can design interventions that are both safe and highly effective, and individuals can make dietary choices that meaningfully reduce risk. Ultimately, sugar drinks, giving cancer cells their running shoes, reframes the conversation about sugar from vague warnings to precise understanding. Every sip of a sugary drink carries a molecular consequence, but knowledge transforms that consequence into opportunity. By revealing the pathway from sugar to enhanced cancer cell mobility, the study empowers both science and individuals. Awareness, informed choices, and targeted research become tools to slow cancer spread, turning what could be a frightening scenario into a story of control, prevention, and hope. The sugary drinks may try to lace cancer cells with running shoes, but now science and informed action are perfectly positioned to remove those shoes and keep the cells in check.